A severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m.,
hang on, I gotta go.
A thunderstorm was located near Wellsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Franklin Park, East Liverpool, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Minnetonka, Wellsville, Shaler Township. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 23 and 37. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 55, in between mile markers 57 and 82. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 65.
This is the first severe thunderstorm warning that actually shot off my radio.
Carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS
the radar for like a minute. Whoa.
At 6 p.m., the report from Butler was not available. At Franklin Regional Airport, rain was falling.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting that.